You're so happy.
Fast.
Oh my God, I'm so happy for you, baby.
Emma. Yeah.
Good job, guys. Good job.
There's so much.
Pinatunayan ni Jed Maniago na isang diagnosed na may autism spectrum disorder na hindi hadlang ang kahit anong kapansanan para makapag-aral at maabot ang mga pangarap sa buhay. September 2023 nang matagumpay na nakapagtapos si Jed ng kursong Bachelor of Science in Information Technology sa National College of Science and Technology sa Dasmariñas, Cavite.
I managed to study there in college, but since when COVID-19 hit in our world, I was like, I was having a hard time studying online classes because I had to stay at home and listen to virtual lessons in the computer, but I'd sometimes get a little distracted because I was using computer on my own. But I managed to study and I managed to get through it, and I'm surprised I managed to get top in the college times.
Kuwento ng ina ni Jed na si Mami She, napakabait at talino ni Jed. Ibinida rin ng kanyang ina na nahiligan ni Jed ang pagsusulat at ipinopost niya ito sa kanyang Wattpad account at libo-libo na ang nakabasa. Mapagkakatiwalaan din siya sa iba't ibang mga gawaing bahay.
The thing about Jared is that once he's into it, he will do everything, whatever it takes to be the best on that field. Yeah, that is his personality.
Naniniwala rin si Mami She na makatutulong sa mga batang may autism ang makihalubilo sa mga batang walang kaparehong kalagayan para ma-adapt nila ang mga kilos na angkop sa kanilang edad. Kaya naman, ipinasok niya si Jed sa paaralan para sa mga normal na bata. Naibahagi rin ni Mami She na tumutulong siya noon sa mga batang may autism.
There was a lot of questions. Bakit siya special? Pero eventually we were able to accept it. It's because I was exposed when I was in college kasi physical therapist ako. I was already exposed with special children. In fact, I find them very, intriguing. Kaya nung binigyan ako ng special child, siguro inisip ko, ito yung sabi ni Lord, kasi ito yung challenge sa'yo. And I know naman hindi ako bibigyan ni Lord ng pagsubok na hindi ko kaya. So when I found out he's special, sabi ko, okay God, challenge accepted.
Kaya naman, naniniwala si Jed na hindi hadlang ang autism na makapag-aral at mamuhay siya ng normal.
And it's important to study, which, that's the truth, right, Mom?
Yes.
Of course, just look around the world, because of course we need to study, otherwise we might don't know what to do, or I might don't know what to do. I might don't know what life is about outside the world if I don't study.
Para kay Mami She, isang regalo ng Panginoon para sa kanila si Jed.
In fact, ang feeling ko I am blessed because I became a better person. Kasi pag iniisip ko lang na pag napunta siya sa ibang parent na hindi gagawin yung nagawa namin, parang nakakaawa siya. So parang feeling ko, dapat lang talaga na sa akin siya mapunta. Kasi I am up for the mission. I am up for the challenge. And I'm willing to do whatever it takes.
Tunay na hindi biro ang ganitong kalagayan. Ngunit sa tulong ng pagmamahal ng pamilya, pagtitiwala at paggabay ng mga taong nakapalibot sa kanila, maaari nilang makamit ang kahit anong bagay at kanilang mga pangarap. Dahil gaya ni Jed, ang mga taong may autism spectrum disorder ay biyaya ng Panginoon. Isaiah Mirafuentes, Newslight.